What's up, everybody? So sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. I've been working on doing stuff for school, work, life, but I did actually just get a 3D printer. It was one of my brother's that he didn't use, so he gave me. So I have that set up over there. Right now I'm working on a 3D model on my computer. I've been in the process since the last video where I said if I hit 200 subscribers I'll make a custom grill and everything for my truck. I did the unboxing, and then since then I've been just trying to get this printer set up, leveling the bed, making the 3D models and everything. And this is what I have so far. I've done countless things. So this is just on my computer doing a couple different things. Here it is in the 3D printer software. I've been trying to get this, which is printed out right here, this piece right here, or this piece. I've been trying to get this to fit the inside my grill to make my custom bracket. So like these are both sides, and then if you're looking at this one up here is the full thing. I've done countless prints. I've just had issue after issue with the printer, mainly because I'm new to 3D printing. So like I made one right here. I only did it 1 millimeter thick, but then I also stop it halfway before it does it. So one, I save the filament, and two, I don't really need this that thick. I just need this to fit, to see if it would fit. If it doesn't fit, then I have to modify it, print it again, modify it, print it again, modify it, print it again. That's what I've been doing. This one is the second to closest one I've gotten to it. Now these end caps, or these end pieces, so this exact piece is literally just the ends right here. This one's been modified, so it's different from what it looks like. This way, so it is going to be a little bit different. But I did run out of filament when I was printing this. But this one fits almost perfectly, but it's a little bit too long and a little bit more this way. These angles aren't correct on both sides. So from point A to point B, 17 inches. From point A to point B, it's 3 1/4 inch, I believe, or something like that. This angle is 1 inch long. This is 2 inches. This is 1 inch. Same on this side. And I've been just trying to get that into the computer, get all the stuff working on it. And these actually just came off the print bed. It just came off the print bed, but I just went and tried it, and it's a little bit, I have a photo right here on my phone. So there's a little bit of space on the top, and this angle's off, and this angle's off, and this angle's off. So now I'm modifying that on my computer right now, and then once I'm done modifying, I will print it, try it out, see if it fits. If it does fit, sweet. I just gotta stretch the middle, make it connect basically to the full 17 inches, and then we can go from there. But I just want to give you guys an update on that part. So here's the printer. It is this build plate. It's 15 by 15 by 15, but if you measure the actual print, it's 16 and something inches. That's just a mess down there. But I will do a little bit, sorry for the beeping in the background, I was cooking food. I will do a video on me setting up this printer, showing you guys how to set up to start a print and all of that stuff. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, what's up, everybody? So I'm going to do a little bit showing on the printer. I did start a print, but I actually canceled the print because I forgot on the software, which I'll show you right now. What I did was, this is the software, which is Cura right here, and this isn't the exact thing. It was a lot smaller. It was probably about that thick, and I don't want this to print this thick because one, it's gonna take probably, I want to say like maybe 15 hours. Oh, 13. I was close. So that's what it would have taken. It would have taken all day to print this one, then go to the next one, print this one, go to the next one, print this one, go to the next one, print this one. So what I did is, if you go to this second one box right here, this is automatically going to be checked off. Just uncheck that. Z axis, or the blue one, which is this one going up and down, just changed that to 2 millimeters, and it shrunk it down so it's almost paper thin. So now instead of 13 hours and 59 minutes, it's gonna be like 3 hours and 3 hours and 54 minutes. So this is the previous print that I just was telling you guys about. Yes, the bed is kind of hot. It's 50 degrees right now. I'm taking this off because this is gonna be, this is way too big, and 2, this is gonna be way too, it would be way too thick, so I just stopped the print because I'm trying to find one that's perfect sizing from top, bottoms, and all these angles. So what I did is I just changed 3 different ones of the same piece, shrunk it, moved all the vertices, which this right here, this point is a vertice, this point is a vertice. I changed all the vertices that were on this, that were on my other program, not Cura, and I changed all the stuff, and now I'm printing it, so it's gonna be like a big one here, smaller one, smaller one, smaller one. And then I can go over whichever one fits the best. I can go onto the computer, select that one, and then I can just modify that to the actual, for my grill, on what I'm actually gonna be making. So right now, I set this printer up to preheat. So right now, this is the extruder right there, and right now it's on 200 degrees. I'm just trying to get the little prints before it does it. So what you're gonna want to do, so when you first set this printer up, which this is the Tronixy, I don't know how to say it, if I'm saying it correctly. I think it was like the AB 400 Pro series. I'm not 100% sure. I want you right here. That's the printer I have, the X5SA 400 Pro, which I recommend if you're going to be new to 3D printing. I would suggest not to get this one. Yes, it is a big printer. It does print big objects. Like if I wanted to, I could probably print like my helmets over there. Like my helmet, my Iron Man helmet that I made with you guys, my first video. Mjolnir. This one I didn't make. I actually got when I went on vacation to Disney. But I could probably print all of these helmets on this, because this print bed goes all the way down to here, so I have all this space. So if I wanted to, I could probably print 2 or 3 of those helmets, or probably 2 helmets, one this side, one on that side, but it would fit pretty much mostly all of it. And the reasoning why I say not to get this one is because it is extremely difficult. Yes, I do have it on the carpet, so there's that. You can't have any, the bed can't get perfectly level because you're on the carpet. But what I did was I manually leveled it, which I'm not going to change any of this stuff because I don't want to mess it up. It's not leveled 100%, but it's pretty much close to the correct level. So what you're going to want to do is you go to this focus. So there's print, tools, system. You don't need system, you go to tools, then you hit level. You can either hit auto level. I'm trying to get it to focus on the camera. There we go. You can hit auto level, and when you do auto level, it goes through each corner of this thing all the way down. There's 16 different spots it stops at, and on the screen it'll say it's either too high or too low, and you have to adjust all 6 of these turn dials, which that's why I was saying that this is definitely a very difficult one to level, because most printers only have 4, which is in all 4 of the corners. This one has extra 2, so it's a lot more difficult. So if you hit manual, it's going to show, actually I'll do it right here, it's going to show these boxes. So what you do is you click, let's say I want to do this one, I click that one, the extruder head will go over to this corner, and then you turn this knob, and you get, say this is a piece of normal printer paper, and you put it on the bed and you slide it like this under that extruder head all the way up there. While it's in this corner, you turn the dial until it's the exact same thickness of the piece of paper on all 5 of the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's all you do. And then once you go to do that, you have to set your Z offset, which you click on this one, the Z offset, which I'm not going to do. And then when you do that, all it is basically you hit the button to lower or to raise the bed, so it is perfect. It's the extruder just barely touches the print bed itself. But I'm gonna set the printer up. So you hit back, hit print. So I have this first one, which you guys won't have. What was it called? The name of the printer. There's STL, G code, and STL cuts. Just go to G code cuts, and these are the ones that I put in here, and it came with the printer itself. So Doraemon came with the printer, Owl came with the printer, and Square Kitten right there came with the printer. I'm gonna be doing mine, which is, I have it written as test, and then you hit this play button right here. And right here, I'm gonna get something else so I can point. So right here on the tip of the blade, if it focuses, right over here. I don't think it's gonna focus. Or whatever. So the very first one, right here where my finger is the print bed on what the temperature is. The second one is the extruder, and the third one is extruder number 2. But I only have one extruder, so I don't have anything on that one. Then this one underneath is a green time glass or hourglass, which how much time has already passed for my print. This blue one is how much time until my print is completely done, which is 3 hours and 54 minutes. This one tells me how fast, this purple speedometer tells me how fast millimeters per second. So right now it's going 25 millimeters per second. And then the name of it. If you want to stop it, you hit pause. If you want to end it, you hit the square, and then you can adjust the Z offset manually. And right now it is starting to print. It's going to make one thin line right here to make sure all the filament is in the tube and it's not sticking to the plate and everything, which you can kind of see it right here all the way down. And then it's going to start going over and printing all of the ones that I wanted to do. Like, see right now, it's printing this exact one again right here. Once that one's done, then it's going to go to the next one, next one, next one. And my plate is glass. I couldn't get my prints to stick to the glass. I don't know why it wouldn't stick. Tried everything. So I tried the Elmer's washable glue stick method, and it works really good. So what you do is you just pop the cap. You pop the cap. You take that glue. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it. And you just go like this on the print bed. I don't see an issue with doing it. Everyone else that says it when you go to use this method, you only go one way, and you make sure you get everywhere where your prints are gonna be on. You just get underneath that. But I don't see an issue on directional. I just go boop 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 boop, and then that's it. So that's why my print bed is white, is because this is the actual Elmer's glue stick. But right now it is starting to print. I'm gonna turn the light down here so you guys can see better. Yeah. So right now it's starting to print everything. And what I'm trying to make, the custom bracket, is gonna be fitting inside this piece right here. And that's all I'm gonna tell you guys about this until I get it done.